Hello, everyone, and how are you all doing? I'm so glad that you guys clicked to watch this video. I'd like to say a very, very big thank you. Now, in this video, I'm taking you on a drive from Chalbi Drive. Did you get that rhyme? On a drive from Chalbi Drive, yeah, all the way, Chalbi Drive in Lavington, all the way through Lavington Mall to around Kilimani. So, if this is something you would love to watch, if you love drives like I do, if you love to hear more about Lavington, if you love to hear more about Chalbi Drive, if you love to see Kilimani, like you've not seen these places for a very long time, or you just love to take a drive on your screen, and if this is something you love, love, love to watch, I like to just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video all through the end. Don't forget to give me a like if you enjoyed it. Just please kindly hit the like button for me and just enjoy this video. All right, let's go, guys. Now, Chalbi Drive is a residential area in Lavington that has a lot of townhouses. There are little to no apartments, high-rise buildings like that on Chalbi Drive. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, but I've not really seen any. And so we're driving out of Chalbi Drive right now, and we're about hitting Lavington Mall. Like, you see that cream building on your left? Yeah, that's Lavington Mall. And it has like Chandarana supermarket inside it. Like you have fish market in it. Like a fish shop, not a market, but a shop. And several other shops inside Lavington Mall. So there it is right there, the Lavington Mall. So like I said, this drive will be going all the way through Kilimani. And I just want to let you guys know that Lavington is like a suburb of Nairobi, Kenya in East Africa, and it's like a high income residential estate in the northwest of the city center. Now, Lavington is under the Westlands administrative block or administrative division in Nairobi, Kenya. So Lavington is like an upbeat, like I said, is an upbeat high income residential area, and it boasts of a lot of townhouses, a lot of beautiful homes right here in the Lavington area of Nairobi. And there are quite a number of lovely attractions in Lavington. Like I just showed you guys Lavington Mall. And there are also several other lovely places in Lavington. There are also like really good schools, amazing schools for your children in Lavington. And such schools include the Strathmore School, St. Austin's Academy, there's Braeside High School, there's also Braeburn. Like Braeside and Braeburn are, I think they're kind of connected, kind of. You also have the Nairobi International School, you have the Lavington Primary School, Rusinga School, Loreto Convent School. They are all in the Lavington area in Nairobi, Kenya. walks, for hikes. It also has like the Uhuru Park in this area. Uhuru Park is also a place where you can take the children out for like lovely, beautiful rides and all that, and also take a walk and all that in Uhuru Park. Also in Kilimani, we have the Yaya Center. Yes, the Yaya Center Mall. It has like mall. It has. I think it also has like a residential place. It has like several high-end shops inside Yaya Center. So basically, Kilimani, like I said, is a residential area, but also has like very lovely places, restaurants, mall, and beautiful, beautiful places that you can just go and relax and have an amazing time with your family and your friends. So here I bring to you Kilimani. I hope you enjoy this ride, and I'd like to say a very big thank you. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Thank you for all the wonderful, amazing, beautiful subscribers. Thank you for all the lovely, lovely comments. I really, really appreciate you guys. Enjoy this ride, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed, amazing, fantastic day, and bye.